Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Artistic YK, and I am Yukta, and today we are going to see a garlic bread recipe with cheese dip. We are using a ready-made bread for this, so you don't need to make a dough or anything. It's really quick and easy and the tastiest garlic bread I have ever eaten. So let's get on to the recipe. So first we are going to make cheese dip because it needs to cool down when we eat it. So in a kadai, take 1/4 cup of milk. Into that 1 tablespoon of milk powder and 1 tablespoon of butter, and then stir it until milk powder and butter melts. Now that our butter and milk powder has melted completely in the milk, then we are going to add 3 tablespoons of cheese spread. If you don't have cheese spread, you can add half of the cheese cube, and if you are using slices, then 2 cheese slices will be enough. Now we are going to melt this cheese into the milk, but remember not to overcook because the cheese will get cooked and we don't want cheese to be cooked, we just want it to be melted. Now that our cheese has completely melted, the consistency should look like this because when it cools down, it will be thickened. So this is enough. Now we'll let it cool down. Now that our cheese dip is cooling down, take 7 to 8 garlic cloves and grate it. Now in a bowl, take 3 tablespoons of butter and add garlic to it. So now we are going to add 1/4 tablespoons of oregano, 1/4 tablespoon of chili flakes and pinch of jeera into this and give it a good mix. Now here I have taken 4 bread slices and we are going to apply this butter mixture onto it. Remember to save some for later. Now take a cheese slice, put it onto a bread and then put another bread onto it facing the butter side on the top. Then do same for the another one, and now it's time to heat our pan. Now heat up a pan and put your bread onto the pan facing the butter sides downwards, and we are going to apply some more butter mixture onto the top. Now remember, you have to put the remaining butter mixture onto the top when the bread is onto the pan, not when it's on the plate. Now flip the bread when it's golden brown and let it cook for another 2 minutes onto the medium flame. Now similarly do the same for the other one as well. Now that our cheese dip has cooled down, I have transferred it into a small bowl and we are going to cut the spread into the sticks. And ta-da! The garlic breadsticks are ready!